Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to protect your IP address on WhatsApp calls. Let's go. WhatsApp has launched a privacy feature called Protect IP Address in Calls that conceals users' IP addresses by routing call data through its servers. This enhancement offers an extra level of privacy and security for privacy-conscious users. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Then tap on Settings at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap Privacy. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Now you'll see the Protect IP Address and Calls option. To make it harder for people to infer your location, calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. To protect your IP address on WhatsApp calls, simply toggle on this switch. IP stands for Internet Protocol, which is the set of rules governing the format of data sent via the internet or local network. In essence, IP addresses are the identifier that allows information to be sent between devices on a network. They contain location information and make devices accessible for communication. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.